Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are unboxing the collection for Coco Daisy. This one's called Nordic Nights. It is the collection for January 2025. And obviously because I'm on the design team, I have to get it earlier so I can do my projects and inspire you to create with your kit when you get it. So this is the unboxing, and I always usually include at least one project toward the second half of this video, so that way you already have a little taste on what can be created with your elements in your kits. So for January, like I said, it's Nordic Nights, so it does have this wintry vibe to it, which is beautiful because one of my favorite colors is blue. I always lean towards blues and pinks, and it's a lot of blue, and it's so pretty. So here's the cute little vellum sticker. It says a snowflake's beauty is in its differences. I get the journaling kit sent to me, the Scrapbooking Core Kit, along with the Simple Dori add-on, which is usually inside here, and the additional pocket cards. So let's go. I always like to go through the Simple Dori first because it gives you what the paper colors will already look like, and then we go from there. So the Simple Dori is their version of the Traveler's Notebook, and it so cute. Okay, so there are obviously characters in this collection. I love it. Whoever they get to do their illustrations, I really, really can admire. Okay, here we are with a gray background, but it's like tone on tone with some snowflakes and some blues and gray colors. We have almost like a watercolor background with navy, or it could be black stars. Oh, this is gorgeous. Just across the top, like a midnight sky. The snowflakes, and almost looks like poinsettia foliage. Let's enjoy every idle hour. That's a good navy color. It's not black, it's navy. A ledger in a good true blue. Stripes, almost like watercolor stripes. A good like gray, like a slate blue and gray plaid. Love that one. A snowflake page. Looks to be navy, but maybe could pull black. No, I think it's still navy with snowflakes all over it. A repeating pattern, blue and white. Oh, a little snowy village with a watercolor background too. That one's really pretty. A tone on tone, almost like snowflakes, but could be stars. Don't mind my dogs, they're playing behind me. A watercolory looking plaid. Foliage. Blank one. Yeah. Oh, and then along the top. Very pretty. Oh, very pretty. So there's the Dori. Let's go through the pocket cards. Okay, the pocket cards. Welcome January. With a tree. Very pretty. There's a January calendar. A quote. And that repeating star. Oh, it's really pretty. Hello, winter. Very pretty. Let's go through the scrapbooking kit. So the stamp, our family, January, today. These are kind of nice sentiments, just like basic ones, you know? Okay, like that. The washi tape is that striped watercolor paper. Let me see if I can find it real quick. The one that looked like this. That's the washi tape. We got the die cuts. Oh, we got vellum snowflakes again. Let's see. And they look to be like frosted white. Yeah. So much fun. Very nice. Enamel dots with the glitter. Love this colorway. Like purple, bluesy mauves. Very cute. Puffy stickers with snowflakes and stars. Chipboard elements. Snow day. Very cute. Ooh, look at this color. Like a soft baby blue, light blue, puffy, alpha. Oh, very cute. I love this one. I love the bear. I love it. I really do. So cute. Okay. And then 2 pieces of white cardstock. And then this is the iconic page. This is the iconic page. It is lovely. And then that repeat pattern. And we get 2 of everything. The foliage and then the stripe. So that's the washi tape pattern again. Then some scripty text. And then the snowflakes. And then it repeats. So that's the scrapbooking kit. I love the color palette for this. Definitely love. And then last, I get the journaling kit. And this one has washi tape too. Oh, and it looks like a ruler. Let's see. Yep, it looks like, can you see that? Let me open it. Okay, and then the washi tape looks like a blue-gray ruler. Very cute. Or it can even be not a ruler, because it does go to 12. It could also be like an hourly rate, hourly for your planners, you know, like 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and bracketed till 12, and then it repeats. So it could be a ruler, but probably it's not really measuring an inch, or it could indicate an hourly planner help. Okay, here's the journaling card. Every star in the night sky is a new dream, and this new year is full of possibilities waiting to shine. And then your journaling prompts. We have the 2 extra sheets of Rabans. I love the animals. So cute. And then the stickers. Let me open this. So remember, these are the washi tape stickers. And we have the days of the weeks. This is it. This is the star of the show. And I'm here for it. This is so pretty. It's a full page of washi. This is the full page of washi. And then the icons. And some washi strips. Some of the quotes and icons and washi strips. I love that little guy. And then an alpha that almost ombres. Looks like the ombre, darker to lighter, in like a gray / taupe color, like a gray brown color. Okay, so we have the journaling kit, the scrapbooking core kit, the pocket cards, and the Dori that are wonderful for this Nordic Nights. Let me clear off my desk and let's create something using this collection. Okay, so we're going to do a double page layout in my 6x8 album. This one will go in my All About Me album, which is just an album that I keep stories that obviously pertain just to whatever I'm up to. So usually my go-to formula when I'm selecting pocket cards, especially when I'm doing the 3x4s, is always picking one that has an illustration or some sort of icon from the collection, a journaling card, and a sentiment. Once I have those, I'll usually pick one other one to either fill with a photo, or in this case, I just had also chose that prompt card of enjoying. What I'm doing with the pattern paper, the striped one, is just cutting out some irregular wonky hearts. I needed some sort of bigger embellishment that wasn't provided in the kit, and a heart or a star is usually my go-to shape when creating. So I thought some wonky hearts and always in a pattern of 3 or 5 is usually also a go-to formula. The odd numbers work a little bit better. And that way I'm just tying in both the photo and my pocket page. The photo I printed at 7 1/4 by 8 1/4 so that it fits outside the page protector. And I did a filter of black and white on my printing because the colors from my sweatshirt and stuff were very competing with this collection. So turning it into black and white was an easy remedy to make any photo work with any collection that you are working with. So that illustration with the animals is just my favorite. You saw it throughout the collection and I just love it. So I'm also adding one of the icons of the penguin from the chipboard piece and then some of the chipboard elements on the hearts as well. You saw me already add a few rub-ons. Rub-ons do work on photo paper. And then I just like to embellish each of the journal cards and or my photos just so that they both are cohesive and tie together for this easy and quick layout in my 6x8 album. Okay, that will wrap up this pocket page layout. So I did some rub-ons, some little wonky hearts around for embellishment, and then filled out my journaling cards. So this is currently everything I am doing. Ooh, these are kind of snug. Okay, snug fit, but that's okay. We have embellishments on all of our cards, which is always something that I love to do, especially when I'm working with my pocket cards. So some journaling, a sentiment, and a pattern card, and I just love this design. So I will leave everything linked down below. Again, this is called Nordic Nights, and it's the kit available for the January 2025 calendar year. Thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. Give this video a thumbs up, and until next time, everyone, bye!